Welcome to Tour the World. In our previous series, we explored several cities in Finland with drone cameras, including Helsinki, Savonlinna, Kuopio, and Joensuu. In our Swedish series, we visited Uppsala and Stockholm, producing short documentaries featuring real drone footage. If you haven't seen those, please visit our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the beauty of Tallinn, the capital city of Estonia. Known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and vibrant cultural scene, Tallinn has a population of 456,000. Located on the northern coast, it boasts a stunning old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and ancient city walls. Tallinn seamlessly blends its rich history with modern amenities and lively cafes. The city's picturesque setting along the Baltic Sea, coupled with its dynamic atmosphere, makes it a captivating destination for visitors. If you're in Helsinki or Tallinn, don't miss the ferry trip from Helsinki to Tallinn with Viking Line. The trip takes nearly 2.5 hours, passing through numerous islands with magnificent views. During a day trip by ferry, you can spend a couple of hours exploring Tallinn's Old Town, which is just 2 kilometers from the port. The Old Town features several historic buildings, museums, churches, and international restaurants. You will definitely enjoy this day trip. While exploring the Old Town, we highly recommend visiting St. Nicholas Church and Museum. Built in the 13th century, it showcases Gothic and Baroque architecture. Now it is more like a museum and concert hall. It houses beautiful religious art, including medieval sculptures and the famous Danse Macabres painting by Bernt Notke. It offers a fascinating look at the region's religious and cultural history, making it a great visit for history and art enthusiasts. The Alexander Nevsky Cathedral in Tallinn is another stunning example of Russian Revival architecture. It was built between 1894 and 1900. Located on hill, the cathedral features vibrant onion domes and intricate mosaics. It serves as an important center for the Estonian Orthodox community and houses a rich collection of icons. The cathedral's impressive interior and exterior make it a must-see landmark in Tallinn. In winter, especially from December to February, Tallinn is covered in snow, but city life and activities continue at the same pace. Snow is frequently cleared from the roads and streets, and activities at Tallinn's port area also operate normally. In February, the sun reflecting on the snowy landscape creates a beautiful view. There are several skiing spots in the Old Town, and we saw many people enthusiastically enjoying the skiing near St. Nicholas Church. There is also a nearby car park if you're visiting by car. With this, we end our journey through Tallinn and its beautiful old town. We hope you enjoyed it. Again, the best months to visit are June, July, and August to avoid the snowy months. In our upcoming journeys, we'll explore Riga, Latvia's capital, which is about 4 hours by bus from Tallinn. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Until next time, take care and see you in the next episode.